Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this overview are available in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using the platform. In this video, we're taking a closer look at MassMutual, accessible at www.massmutual.com. Navigating the complexities of financial planning can be daunting. Whether you're thinking about retirement, protecting your loved ones, or building long-term wealth, having the right financial partner is crucial. MassMutual presents itself as just such a partner, offering a wide array of financial products and services aimed at helping individuals and families achieve their financial goals. The MassMutual website provides a comprehensive overview of their offerings. From life insurance and annuities to retirement plans and investment management, the site offers a wealth of information. Potential clients can explore various options, learn about different investment strategies, and access tools and resources designed to empower them to make informed decisions. One key feature of the website is its emphasis on financial education. Articles, calculators, and other resources help individuals understand complex financial concepts and make choices that align with their specific circumstances. While the site offers a robust digital experience, it also emphasizes the importance of personal connection. Information about finding a financial advisor is readily available, highlighting the value of personalized guidance in navigating the often intricate landscape of financial planning. MassMutual underscores their commitment to providing solutions tailored to individual needs, suggesting a focus on building long-term relationships with their clients. Furthermore, the website highlights the company's history and stability, aiming to instill confidence and trust in those seeking financial security. They present themselves as a reliable institution with a long track record of helping people achieve their financial aspirations. This long-standing presence in the financial industry is emphasized throughout the site, offering a sense of security and reliability to potential customers. Navigating the site is generally user-friendly, although the sheer breadth of information can be a bit overwhelming initially. However, the organized layout and clear navigation menu help users find the specific information they need.